How to close a UK limited company, step-by-step guidance with Lisa Newton. So what we cover in this course is how to close a UK limited company step by step. This is a guided tutorial. It's very important to follow the steps. We explain the importance on and what the criteria is in order to close your company, because there's different options you can choose. Now, this course is for company directors and secretaries. It's if you are a limited company and perhaps you've got one that you're not using, it's not trading, maybe worse still, it's losing you money and you just want to close it. So it's the simple steps to close down. It could be a bit of a headache for you at the moment, a source of frustration. It's something that's been sitting there, you've been meaning to deal with it. This course is for you. It will save you a lot of money and headache, because the thing is, when you've got a limited company, regardless or not of whether you're using it, there are still legal obligations that you've got to undertake regardless. So to get rid of those, to get it off your plate, so to speak, we look at how to close down the company effectively. You don't want to just ignore letters from Companies House. It looks bad against your name as a company director if you're struck off due to non-compliance. So just closing it down in the correct way is better for you. Now, about myself as your course tutor, my name's Lisa Newton. I formed my first limited company in 2004. Currently, I'm the finance director of about 12 limited companies. I have done more, but I've closed several companies over the years for various reasons. And so I understand that just sometimes you just need to simplify your life. I get that. So I am here to help you, show you how that's done. You'll benefit on this course because then you'll know the process. It's going to save you time, money and a lot of stress. It's just this, the aim is just to demystify the process. It's going to be guidance. You'll see how it's done. And if this is something you need to do, you'll know exactly what you have to do. So that's Companies House filing, but how to close a UK limited company. I hope to see you on the course.